The next indoor environmental quality credit is Indoor Quality Management Program. This credit applies to the following categories for 2 points. The intent is to maintain the well-being of occupants by preventing and correcting indoor air quality problems. So what sits behind this intent? Maintaining indoor air quality is critical to the comfort and the health of building occupants. Buildings with poor indoor air quality can make their occupants sick and potentially costing owners, property managers, operators, and employers economic losses in sick time, legal issues, and lost productivity. A comprehensive IAQ management plan can prevent problems and improve conditions. And to help building operators identify and act on air quality issues in their facilities, the US EPA created the Indoor Air Quality Building Education and Assessment Model, the IBEAM. So over to the requirements. First of all, for establishment, develop and implement an indoor air quality management program based on IBEAM, and include the IAQ management program in the project's current facility requirements and operations and maintenance plan. For the performance-related part, conduct an IBEAM audit on a regular basis. And regular basis mean at least once every 5 years, and revise the IAQ management program as appropriate. The requirements are pretty straightforward, so I want to provide them some additional step-by-step guidance. So there's 7 steps to follow. The first one, identify the IAQ manager. And this is typically the building's engineer or facility manager. Secondly, establish the IAQ management program based on the IBEAM. The program can be a standalone document, but in general it's better to have it integrating. Having all of the procedures in one place makes it easier for building management teams to stay organized. Step 3, in preparation for the baseline IBEAM audit, make sure that the audit forms are up to date and tailored to the project's building. Step 4, conduct the audit and make sure it includes the occupied spaces, mechanical systems, and the building exterior at least once during the performance period. Once the audit is complete, step number 5, list the issues and develop a strategy and timeline for their resolution. Then complete the audit report by developing a summary report of all of this. And lastly, implement the IAQ management program continuously, meaning to conduct the IBEAM audit at least once every 5 years. Let's have a look at the documentation that is required. So for the establishment criteria, an O&M plan with an IAQ management program, addressing all components. For the performance aspects, provide a summary of the audit with issue summary or a list. For this credit, no exemplary performance is available.